What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video, walk around video, and a little test drive of the Buck 450X. Now this one here, it's a Lin-Hai machine. It's got all kinds of goodies. Again, you've got your 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the back, and then you also have your cup holders here, right in the front for the driver and the passenger. You've got seat belts with the over the shoulder. You also have your netting here. Go ahead and strap yourself in. Check it on out. You also have your nice flip seat, so you can go ahead and switch it from a utility bed right into a rear flip seat there. You've got rear tail lights, your flashers, again, your turn signals, the extended roof right here. And this one we do have in a few different colors. All you got to do is give us a call, toll free, 866-606-3991. You got your winch in the front, in and out. You got our horn. Again, high, low, neutral, and reverse. Check it on out. And this model we can ship nationwide right to your front door, fully assembled. Doesn't matter if you live in Chicago, Texas, Florida, Pennsylvania, Maine, Jersey, wherever, we'll ship and deliver right to your front door. Check it out. You also have your parking brake right here. Tachometer. It'll tell you if you're in 4-wheel drive, neutral, reverse. To give it a ride, all you got to do, give it some gas, and then here we go, put her in drive. Check it on out. And again, your adjustable steering wheel right here, you can go ahead and adjust it. And you do have the optional windshield right here as well. We can ship every item nationwide right to your front door. Again, this one has 4-wheel drive on it, 4x4, high and low gears, electric start. Again, your turn signals are right here, left and right turn signal. Got a little bit of storage here, more storage here. And again, we can ship and deliver nationwide, all across the entire USA. So give us a ring, give us a call, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. Speak to a sales rep now. You can go ahead and chat with us live right on the website at saferwholesale.com, obviously, right? And call us up, 866-606-3991. A few different colors. We got red, we got the sand color, blue and black. Call us right now for the availability of the color that you're interested in. Alloy rims, super knobby tire, and again, great for the whole family. Call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.